Hello, how are you today? Oh, great. It is great. Great for you. Great for me. Actually, my name is very long, but you can just call me Andy. And what is your name? Oh, what a great name. Can I just call you Tony? All right then, Tony. Tony, do you know that we can bring things into life? Yes, we can make any images move. It is like putting a spell on it. So whenever we have any image and put spell on it, it will work. It will move. Do you want to learn some? Yes, we are using Scratch. This Scratch app, you can download it on your tablet also. So you can working on it while on the go. Yes. Okay. Do you want to learn some? Yes, we are putting a spell on it. In this app, we are called it script or code. Yes, coding is the way we can bring things into life. Are you excited? I am excited. So let's get started. To get started, you can just click on the plus sign on the right corner of the app. This button. Okay, I will just tap on it. So when we first open the project, it will give us the cat as the default sprite, default image. Okay, so the first things is to rename this project. Let's just change the name of the project. Maybe flying cat. Oops, flying cat. Okay, let's change the default sprite and choose the cat that can fly. Okay, if we want to remove the default cat, just click on this sign, the trash sign on the sprite. Okay, let me just click it for you. Now we have removed the sprite and we will choose another sprite to us. Maybe just like we have said before, we want the flying cat. This cat is flying, so then I just pick it up. Okay, this cat is not moving. I move it with my finger, but I want it will move by itself, so I'll put script on it. But let's just first choose the background to this flying cat. Okay, to choose the background, we can just use this button here. You can just click on it just like before when we click this sprite button, like cat with a plus sign, and the background is like the landscape with a plus sign. Yes, I promise you, it will be fun. The flying cat will be fun. It will move by itself. You don't have to move it with your finger anymore. Okay? Let's choose the background, okay? Just click on the button and click on the search sign. Choose a backdrop. So we want it flying outdoors, not indoors. So we will click on the outdoors category. Hmm. Which background do you think is fit for our flying cat? Let's pick. Maybe what is fit is. Oh, the blue sky. Yeah, I think the blue sky is amazing. The blue sky is fit for our flying cat. Okay, let's pick it up. Just click on it like this. Now we can see our flying cat. Okay, let's try to add script into this flying cat. So the very first thing that we need to remember is to how our cat responded. So the cat will respond into what? We click on the event tab and choose the right script. If we want that the cat will respond when the green flag is clicked, then we choose this cap button, this cap script. This is the cap script. Logically, the cap is something we put in our head. So this script with the cap form, the head form, is for the starter script. What our sprite or our image will be moved according to it. So they are the script when the green flag click, or when the space key press on your keyboard, or when this sprite click or tap, or when the backdrop switch into another background, or when the loudness that we can set into the numbers of the loudness, or when the sprite or our image receives the message. Okay, so the first time we want to click on the the starter script. This is the green flag that we meant before. Okay, click on it or tap on it, tap on the script and drag it down to the empty space right on the right corner of the events column. Okay, whenever the green flag click, it will move. So we need to determine where is the starter point of the cat and what is the end point of the cat. So we want this point will be the starter of the cat, and that point will be the end location of the cat. Let's we try to put script on it. We click on the motion script. We can look into the position of the sprite is minus 194 at the x and minus 19 at the y. So we put the same script also to our sprite. Click and hold the script and put it under the cap script. So whenever we move the cat for the very first time, when we click on the green flag, the cat will be at the starter point. Let's try. Okay, it moves. Now we want the cat to glide to our endpoint. Let's try to look into the location of the cat. Here, as we can see, the cat is in this position, x131, y minus 6. So we want to put the glide script into that position. Let's make it happen. Glide 1 second to x131 and y minus 6. Okay, let's try to click on the green flag button again. Yes, yes, the cat is flying now. Can you see it? The cat is flying. What a wonderful thing, doesn't it? Okay, now the cat is flying, but we want it to be fly longer, not in 1 second. We can just click on this timing frame and change how many seconds the cat to fly into that position. I want it to be 1.5 seconds only. Okay, just try to click on the green flag again. Yes, it moves slower. If we put 10 seconds, it will even slower than the first one. Yes, can you see it? It moves slowly to the end point of our screen. So let's make that 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds is enough, I think. Okay, this is how we make the cat flying from the starter point to our end point. Okay, maybe if you want to make the cat more alive, we can just change the look of the cat. We want the cat to say hello for 1 second. Drag the script into the position. Let's try it. Hello, and then it glides 3 seconds to the position of x axis 131 and y axis -6. If we want to make the cat to start the sound, we can just click on the script sound. Okay, but I don't really want it to be giving any sound while it's flying. But while it stops, I think it's good when the cat sees his friend. So why not we add friends to the cat? It would be fun if the cat had friends. Maybe the friend standing at the end point to interact with the cat. Let's pick the friend for the cat. Choose the sprite by looking a right sprite. Okay, maybe we want something unfamiliar with the earth, like an alien maybe, because the cat is weird also. There are, in reality, no cat is flying. So we choose the alien Pico. Do you like this Pico? I like this Pico very much. Let's choose this Pico image. Yes, this Pico image. You can just put it here. Okay, the Pico is standing there and the cat is flying right into the Pico. Maybe we want the cat flying here. So let's move the x-axis to 74 and y-axis to -78. Okay, let's try the script again. Hello, we want the cat to interact with its friend Pico, so we need the cat to say something to Pico. Let's give the cat something to say. Say something. Oh dear cat. How about, how are you today, Pico? Oh, it looks great. Let's try. Let's try the script. Hello, and then the cat gliding and said, "How are you today, Pico?" And we want the Pico to respond to the cat. Let's put script also on the Pico. Pico events. Put the cat script. We want Pico responded to the cat. So When Pico received the message from the cat, Pico will be saying, I am fine. Thank you. The cat is also we need to put script so that they interact one another. So we need to put the script where the cat interact with the Pico. So when the cat say, how are you today, Pico? And the Pico will reply to the cat. Let's try. Click on the green flag. How are you today, Pico? And Pico said, I'm fine, thank you. But Pico looking not into the cat. So we need to make Pico look into his friend, this flying cat. Let's put the script so that Pico will look into his friend. So before Pico say, I'm fine, thank you, Pico need to look into the cat. So let's costume it. Pico had different direction. So we need Pico to be into another direction. So let's make a new sprite. Sorry. Let's copy Pico. We copy this image and make new image by clicking on paint and paste the image here and flip it horizontally. Oh, now we can see that Pico is looking into this flying cat. So this is the costume that we make so that Pico will interact with the cat. Okay, let's see. Hello, gliding to Pico position. How are you today, Pico? I'm fine, thank you. But we want Pico will look into the cat when Pico receives the message. So we will add another script to put Pico in the first position when Pico did not notice the cat before receive the message. So we put the cat script and then change the looks of the Pico into Pico a custom, and then we want Pico in that very position whenever the green flag click. So let's try the story again. Pico did not notice the cat, and the cat say, how are you today, Pico? Pico said, I'm fine, thank you. But as you can see that Pico did not turn itself around to see the cat. So we need to put a script so that Pico will turn and see its friend. Again, we click on the looks and switch custom to custom 1. Now we will see Pico will respond by turn around and say to his friend, I'm fine, thank you. Let's click on the green flag. Hello, gliding to Pico. How are you today, Pico? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Okay? What a great script, doesn't it? When we can bring things into life, when we can make images interact each other by giving them script. Do you excited with it, Tony? Doesn't it great? It is. Yes. I can't wait to teach you another lesson. But I think it's time so that we need to end this appointment. I will tell you another great spell that you can make to bring things alive. Okay then, Tony. See you again.